So you were in there 13 months. So you probably didn't get a lot of letters since you were unknown of for about 6 months. Did you get any letters?
Yeah, I got a few. I had them. I wrote. I wrote to Mom, and I wrote to Doris. We was allowed to write. I don't know, 3 letters, I guess, every month, something like that.
3 letters a month. Did they look at the letters before you sent them?
Oh yeah, they blacked out most of them, I guess. That I had them. Mom said, Mom and Doris saved theirs and give them to me. And then I wrote to my girlfriend.
She write back?
Yeah. But I didn't expect any letters.
Yeah. Well, were there any major events while you were still in prison camp? I mean, you had air raids, right?
Oh yeah. They salvoed a load of bombs right over our camp one night. The British did. The British flew at night, Americans flew in the daytime. But they lit up our camp one night.
Direct hit or just nearby?
Dropped flares at each corner of the camp.
Oh.
And we thought, oh, that's nice of them. Come to find out that they wasn't alerting the bombers to where our camp was. They was lighting up the place to bomb.
They weren't. They were.
But they discovered their mistake before they dropped any. But one night, one of the planes got in trouble, and he did drop his bombs. And you talk about a jet making noise. A jet don't make any noise to what a bomb does when it's coming overhead real low.
Yeah. So did it hit the camp or just nearby?
It went over all the bombs went over the camp and hit on the far side.
So they went right over the camp.
Mm-hmm. They really split the air. Everybody, they all run out. It was at night, and you're not supposed to go outside at night. But everybody jumped out the windows and the door, and I sat in the window and watched them. And they'd run, maybe 30 foot one way, fall down, jump up and come back, running. They didn't know what they were doing.
It's not much.
Back and forth.
Not much you can do. I mean,
no, there's nothing you can do. If you can hear them, it's too late.
Yes.
But I just sat in the window and watched them. I thought, no use to worry.
Yeah, if it's gonna hit you.